the vlog right now. There in an airport. And JR I make fun of me. I show them right now. They post this. And then they say, come on, they say that. But even though say, me a part right now, so I'm texting, but suck a big tour you. And say I'm so free. But yeah, we're in an airport now. But anyways, we're there. We just reached and then late as always. They're at airport at Bilbao. They said they're like 5 minutes away, so we're there waiting for them right now. I think
Every time we have action, guys, we'll pick up somebody at the airport. They're coming. No, we'll pick up something at the airport. Come on. No.
When she gonna pick up something, her bag them she gonna pick up. No, you bag them around the side. The original handbag.
The original handbag we come pick up.
And plus me missing a shine too much, somebody have to come. Yo, 2 days without it, me like, yo, me say, which one is shine there?
Empty down.
And mommy did it and went in and Kedar. So me did it. Every morning I wake up by myself. I mean I get my door open. I'm like no, something wrong. Oh okay. Oh my. I might wake up. We do it for the vlog. Yeah, I sleep right now. I think someone not parking. Oh, you can come in so early, dog. Oh, I hear you. Alright, so vlog right now, we're just gonna get some food. Man, I don't know she thick. And the belly in front of her. Oh, they are making town right now. Me and Bruno, wake him up. Yeah, we're there. Oh, that dry. And how much o'clock? 5? Yo, remember we got a party over there? Which one? I just know it just start. That's it. I'm going Blocky Road, man. Which part to enter from? The other side? Go on, man, go on. Yo, I'm waiting it. We're vlog right now. I'm trying to the road. We drive to a pause and I can't not did it. No road, not did it. I was driving, Shana. Yeah, I just said. You're still messing up. Yeah, I'm gonna sleep on now. There's a little bug, you know them way there? The animal right now, we're gonna chop up on butcher. Yeah.
You know I got to this corner.
I'm saying up so early.
Look at your big friend, you know, this is
Can I put enough? Enough there then?
Go on, tell him.
Then I get a bag.
Hi, Mama.
Who that?
Hi. Yo, so vlog. You going to get with dog? So for this shit, baby, see. I'm gonna walk and look for this shit. Alright, so vlog stop right there, sir, because this story is very interesting. After we drop off the goat, after we go get Nashan, we drop off the goat in the front of the yard, right? Keep in mind, about 10 to 15 people in the yard. One time we drop a goat, they say, oh, they're gonna carry back, carry around that back. So I left, figure get the killer for the goat. which was like 5 minutes away. So 5 minutes there, collect her car. She already ready to come kill goat. Come back. Anytime I come, I see goat in the front of the yard, so I say, okay, more unlikely, then can't grow and I'm back. Which what then said they never can't make that me left. No damn goat run in front, the back, the side, the amount of bush me walk through that damn day. There is no goat to be found. Conclusion. The goat couldn't get up and walk. Somebody thieved the damn goat. I'm so serious. So after that, me and Kamara end up drive all over the place. I search for goat meat on Christmas Day. It was like trying to find a needle in a haystack, guys. All I got them sell out as one done kill and clean. Somebody already ordered the meat, so we have to go through a whole ordeal. There is no goat meat. We get little tripe and get little tripe and whatever to make little soup, and that was pretty much it. But I vowed that next year I'm going to kill the goat, and that's exactly what happened.